Hello friends, on this occasion, we are going to repair the back glass of an iPhone 13. We place the iPhone on the support. First, we start removing the glass.
The club isn't the best place to find the lovers, so the bar is where I go. Me and my friends at the table.
We are going to break it into parts so I can get out.
Come over and start up a conversation with just me, and trust me.
Now we will lift up the parts we broke. We put some heat so that the glue is a little softer.
We start to dance and I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me, say boy.
We already removed all the glass, now let's stick the new. We place protection on the wireless charging spiral.
Come on now, follow my lead. Come on now, follow my lead.
And we already have it like new.
Love with the shape of you. We push and pull like a magnet.
Now let's get to work.
Although my heart is falling.
Este muchacho me llena de orgullo.
Love with your body.
We place glue.
Last night you were in my room, and now my bed sheets smell like you. Every day discovering something brand new.
We glue the back glass.
Love with your body. I'm in love with your body.
And ready. Thank you.